Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Sheesh. It's time to get back to work on the stroker because of the reason we got the new Dio headset up here, boys. So if you guys saw it the last time with the stroker, look at this, man. Look how much worse it got too. Look at this pain right here. The Dio headset that I got brand new like a month ago just got completely destroyed because I had a really bad brake reservoir that came with my Dio handlebar setup, and it had a really bad leak right here. The window was cracked, leaked brake fluid into the inside of the headset, and just disintegrated the plastic right off. Just started chipping apart and cracking everywhere. I hit up my boy Andrew Snyder again, who got me this one from Taiwan, and he sent out another package from across the world with the Dio headset replacement. So this one's just the skeleton, so it's that and a brake reservoir, so we get to put this headlight into there and throw it back together on the stroker. I'm probably gonna wire in my taillight too. Brand new looking piece. Sheesh, this thing looks brand new. Basically just gotta pull this headlight out, this bolt, and it looks like these tabs, this one already cracked off, and then throw it in here. New headset, headlight in, dialed. Now I gotta pull this back piece off to be able to pull the brake lever off and then switch out the reservoirs on that with the new piece over there. So let's get this back piece pulled off. I have to use the old brake lever piece. Alright, brakes all on there, time to bolt the back piece back in and throw it all together right now. So let's hope it goes on easy. It is a struggle to get this on because I have the Elite S bars with the Dio headset, so it's kind of like you got to finagle and get it in the right spot, but once it's in there, it's in there. So here we go, boys. Here goes nothing. If I was smart, I'd be doing the headset wiring right now, so I don't have to do this again. But I don't want to go through all that right now. Alright, gonna wire in this taillight a little bit. I just messed with using the Scotch-Brite on the pipe and actually got to shine up a little bit. So I'm gonna go through and do that eventually too. It was literally easier to take the gas tank out to get to the back bolts on the back of the mud flap and the taillight. So I did that real quick, and I plugged in some wires to figure out what was what on the new plug, because you have to make your own plug to it. So now I just gotta snip this. Alright, taillight's still not working. I already know this harness is just destroyed because it never worked. The headlights never worked since I bought it, so I'm pretty much going to give up on that. I'm going to throw it all back together right now because I don't want to spend all day trying to mess with this thing right now. I need a new harness for it. I'm not even going to try messing with this one anymore. The whole front Dio headset I can't even do until I get a harness anyways, because of the simple reason that there's literally no headlight harness at all in this whole harness to the scooter. It's missing that whole part, like the person cut it off. Never had the headlights working since I bought it, sadly. Alright, so in the last video I talked about my GoPro cord going bad, and that's why I had no audio on the one where I rolled the Banshee. That was this cord right here. It's my mic cord, and it converts like a USB whatever to a aux, so I can plug in my mic in my helmet and then record sound on my GoPro. This is my GoPro Hero 4. It's seen better days. We got a hole in the screen. The back screen barely works, only works sometimes. It's just old and it's just crap. Well, boys, we hit a major upgrade. Boys, we got the GoPro Hero 8 Black. I just put some upgrades on it because I just put a different battery door on it now where I can plug the USB-C, I think this cable is called, into it with the door closed. Otherwise, you'd have to take the door off and expose your battery and your SD card slot. So, different battery door. Got the USB-C to mic adapter. Still have my old mic in my helmet. That's what this is right here. Just got the GoPro on. I also just put tempered glass on all the screens, even this front one right here because my old one had the hole in it. So I'm gonna throw this on and try out the stroker. We got the headset on. It's on there good right now. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the GoPro and try and make sure I like it because this is on the right side of the helmet, whereas my old mount was on the left side. So I'm curious to see how I like it more. And yeah, boys. Hopefully this front brake's good. Feels like it is. Definitely got 280. I still haven't seen the thing hit 300 yet on temps. Alright, so the stroker's so cleaned up right now. I actually just went through and polished the plastics a bit, so she's shining pretty good. I eventually want to get a new front shield since this one's all cracked at the bottom right here. Once that under seat fairing comes in, clean up this pipe a little bit, and a new rear mud flap that would go all the way down because this one's cut right there. This thing would look good. Oh yeah, and finish polishing the kicker case, but the stroker's looking really good. The last things I need to do is order a whole new harness pretty much, and then just finish the wiring for the taillight and the headlight. But this thing right now as is rideable, so that means next weekend probably we're going to dedicate a whole day to tuning this thing a little bit more and getting it completely solid. But today it was running really, really good. It seemed like it was just getting too much fuel though now, since we adjusted the needle again. So, but more to come next time we pull out the stroker, and I'm glad to see the thing back with a new headset. It's looking good. I lost motivation when the headset broke, so parked it for a little bit, but put it back together. It was fun riding it today. More to come with that. Make sure you guys check out the website in the description below. Cop a MOPBOYZ sticker. Check out the new merch, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Shee.